Yo, welcome back to another Data Series episode. Today we're going over, let me take a look. What are we going over? 24th and 25th of March 2022. What the? What is going on here? The? Huh. What did I just witness? Anyhow, we're gonna go over here now. Just get right into it. I've already done the Notion thing. We're just gonna go through the analysis now. So daily, we've got these highs up here. Wait, Friday. I'm gonna replay over here. I don't know why it's on Friday right now. Sort of got a clue on what happened on Thursday, but either way, I think it would just be bullish anyway. But let's take a look. 4 hour. So daily, looking bullish. We've taken out some highs here. No SMT. We have this range here. No equilibrium tapping. Equilibrium tapping on ES though. I want to see those highs probably. Likely want to see a 5-minute model or something like that. That would be preferred. We have this far for value gap in NQ as well. We're expecting that pretty nicely. Sort of running through the fair value gap on ES though, so I'm not sure what I should think about that. Take a look at the bar here again. Bearish order flow on the 4. Bearish order flow on the 4 on NQ as well. So maybe we'll get a probably not this low. No, I'm not gonna look that low. Maybe this low though. Yeah, we'll mark this low out as well. So perhaps we could see a push down low to here. Let's take a look. No SMT. Yeah, no SMT. At those highs. Looks pretty choppy right now. I'm not gonna lie. Order flow is bullish on that 1 hour. Bearish on the 4. I want to see 15-minute hold here probably. Got equal lows on here. I'll just use that low. Okay, yeah, SMT with London. For some reason, like these past few days, I haven't been sleeping that well. So it kind of sucks, but I've been a little bit like foggy in the head. Like, I don't know why. But daily coming higher. Looking for higher draws. Higher time frame. Far shift mode flow. Too bearish. But EQ is not. No reason to go lower. With the hourly again. Nothing on the hourly. Nothing much on the 1 hour. 15. London lows like pretty clean. Let's see if I get taken out and then a push. So let's see how far that is. 150 points, so these highs aren't that bad of a target. Great. We have this bullish for Valley Gap. I'm recording. Yep. Let's put some music on as well. Great. SMT at those lows. Nothing much here right now. Bar for Valley Gap inside right now. Still want to see some sort of waterfall to be bullish, because right now it's just being bearish. Equilibrium has been tapped into, so just keep playing. 3-minute entry here. Taps into a decent Valley Gap, an Audi Valley Gap. No more. Yeah, no more SMT though. Let's see these high. Might be a 5-minute model as well, 890 MD. I think the 3-minute is fine here. See the RR. RR is not bad. I like that. 1 to 3. Let's try this. But for some reason, like, I don't know why, but I have this feeling that we're just gonna dump. But this is the model. Okay, no, let's just play it because this is the model. Yeah, damn, bruh. Five-minute change on ES. Still might be an entry here. Might be a that might be a pretty nice entry on ES. I want to see that 5-minute keep holding. Maybe an internal model. SMT at the lows now. Nothing. Re-entry on the 5. Wow, that low got taken out. Went for EQ of the range. Oh my days, wait, EQ hasn't been taken out yet. Ah, I might be an idiot. Might have been a entry short. No, no entry short either. Okay, it's fine. So, wait. Didn't we did? Oh yeah, we got it on. Yes, that's why. Okay, I'm not an idiot. I'm not an idiot. I mean, yeah, still not invalidated the long for ES. I want to see some sort of a better internal manipulation though, because there's literally nothing right now. Are you serious? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's crazy. Surely not. It's back here. 50 points times 4. About 200 points. Okay. 1 hour. Nothing. Just nothing. Wow. Okay. Oh wait, this is already lunch session. Oh my days. I mean, there was one entry on NQ, but I don't know. I'm not a fan of that because we disrespected that. Not hourly. They disrespected this hourly range here. Coming off nothing. I mean, not really coming off at nothing, but more like. Yeah, I have no idea why I lost there. I think this is one of those days. Oops. Kinda sucks. I have a 15-minute change right here. A 15-minute change. That could be a reason. I mean, this is definitely a model because we're tapping into that 15. But I don't know. I don't think I would have managed to look at or wait for that 15-minute. I think maybe I'm rushing into the trade too much. No, Fair Value Gap was holding beforehand, and this hourly was holding as well. Oh no, I don't know why I lost that, honestly. I'm fine with it though. This could have been a re-entry here, but I was focused on NQ giving us a better entry. And NQ did look cleaner as well, because it didn't give us this really weird, I don't know. Okay, we'll journal this. Put it over here. Took an L. There was a re-entry long. However, not sure why I lost here. I think it's just one of those times where the model fails. Okay. Yeah. Oh wait. So there was 15-minute change in state that was created at the re-entry. However, at my initial entry there was a 1 hour backup. Wouldn't say there was bad market conditions. I was bullish, I was correct, bullish. And this one was an L. That sucks, but it's okay. Go to the next day. Oh shit. Weekly change. it is. Daily order block. Oh, yes, it's just bugging. Order block. Equal highs up here. Looks pretty juicy. Take a look at the 4. Really easy day to be bullish, I think. Let's take a look at NQ. But oh my days, it's 300 points away, which is the problem, and my draws are basically already taken out. How far are you here? Too far. Take a look at the hourly. Oh wait, hourly looks better. I like that. I like the hourly right now. We have equilibrium tapped into. I want to see a 1 minute model here. We'll see. Okay, let's journal first, and then we'll go through. So daily looks bullish as CISD, and weekly as well. We have equal highs above. Let's take a 4. Four-hour tapped a rally gap on both assets. Wanna see higher, but draws above more than 200 points over. For the 15-minute change, another hourly equilibrium. Let's look at ES as well, yeah, okay. We get a 15-minute change, and then from that hourly range drawn, we tap into EQ on NQ. Likely want to see higher here. However, order flow could show that we go lower, and we do get really pretty big displacement candles there. We've also got this 15-minute change as well, so it's possible we go for London lows, but we'll see. Let's just take a look at what is gonna happen here. Really low resistance liquidity here, low resistance liquidity run. Let's look at ES. Pay attention to ES as well. Looks like we're just going lower. I really hope we don't just run through that. It'll suck. Could have been an entry right here, would have been ticked in. But yeah, this could have been an entry right here. Oh, wait, I might have just missed an entry. No, I haven't. No gaps. Could still go lower. S&T at the lows, but I think we're just gonna take that out. Looks like we might. Wow. Hourly change. That's probably the day done, since the assets aren't correlating anymore. That really sucks. Alright, let's just see what happens next. Let's see London. I London low. Yeah, London low gets taken out. SMT the highs as well. Already sucks. Man, I'm gonna do one more here. I'm gonna pause it. Oh wait, let's get some analysis done. Could have been order flow based if I would have caught a short lower on MQ, going for London lows, although 4 TP was never hit. Likely would have been the okay. No entries for me to go higher on NQ or ES. Really sucks. Okay, let's go to the next session. I will be right back. This is Monday 28th of March. Nearing the end here. Doing these last 4 days and then oh, no news, okay. We're back. I'm back. So that is done. I'm lying. It's not done. March 28th. I'd be joking. What? Okay. There we go. Keep going. I feel like I've barely done anything today. I wanna, if this video isn't that, how long has it been? 23 minutes? Yeah, I think this probably will be the last one of this video. No particular reason. Daily looks bullish. We have this order block here. I'm gonna not mark that change in state anymore. 4 hour, expecting this for value gap here. We did go to EQ. So now we have SMT at these highs. Take a look at the hourly here. We have this bullish for value gap. Pretty clean. I want to see this SMT get taken out probably. Take a look at the 5. Don't think there's anything interesting on the 15. Yeah. We have London lows here. So we could very well just take that out. Might be looking for an AMD here, maybe. Take out those lows again. Take a look at yes. Nothing there. Yeah, nothing on ES. I'm gonna draw the range out here though. Oh, so we do have a range. Okay, let's journal this. So daily following for the shorter fill. Wanna see higher. Stick with the 4. S&T at the highs. However, I'm not expecting a real big push down. Maybe just rebalancing to inefficiency, low time frame, or EQ. Wanna see that SMT get taken out. And then the 15. Nothing on the 15 here. I'm not gonna do any analysis there. Take a look at the 5. Nice change, but it's not really too clean. 5-minute Chinese state created, but disrespected little after. Is the music even on? Wow, I just searched it up but didn't turn it on. I'm actually a dinosaur. Yeah, let's keep playing now. And we just take out all the draws like that, bro. Oh my days. Dude, I hate these sort of like days, bro. Like, damn. Just take everything out, bro. I haven't traded in ages. God damn it. Feeling for a trade right now. Let's say 236 points. I'm not even gonna try and talk about that. We have SMT, so we could retrace. Go for a retracement trade, but okay. Could we're disappointed in Williams here. I don't even think this is gonna go to EQ. I think it's just gonna retract stuff there. I might not proven wrong. That would have been a break-even trade. Literally nothing. I'm not even gonna try and keep looking, honestly, it's just not worth it. Really choppy on the ES. We just chop for the rest of the session, like. Okay, we've gone back there. No entry. Again. This really sucks. We're gonna do one more. One more game. One more game. So, this day we have Jolt's job openings and also consumer confidence. Also, we're going to put this as no trade. And this one is bullish, correct. And this is bullish, okay. Let's go to next New York session. I don't know why, but like, yo, I slept so like early yesterday. I woke up at like 6 today. And I don't know, bro, like, right now it's 4:20. Don't know if you guys can see. But, bro, I've been so tired lately, bro. I have no idea why. S&T these highs. So 4 hour could come back to a imbalance here. I hope it does actually. Hourly, nothing I can really see on the hourly. I mean, maybe this here, but oh, we're just gonna mark it like that. Same thing on yes. Take a look at the 4 hour again. Okay. Again, we're just gonna go over and journal. So daily order flow looks bullish. It's a really like tiring process, I'm not gonna lie, like doing all of this journaling, but I feel like at the end of the day it will be worth it, like long term it'll be worth it. So for our gaps, S&T at the highs, wanna see probably a retracement trade to a 1 hour gap or something. So 1 hour. Also, we're inside the daily for vertigo, so yeah, I could see some sort of resistance here. $15. Not really much here. I'd probably want to go for the 4 hour. Let's see, check the points here. Probably want to go for the 4 hour gap. Although I'll probably go break even at that. All my days. No way. Okay, we didn't break the SMT, that's good. Not really coming off anything. I want to see more structure. I don't want to just go into a trade blindly. This might have been an entry here. No, not entry. No. And that's basically my draw taken. Let's see what happens here. I want to pay close attention here. Got London lows still left open, so I want to probably see that. 160 points, and for you 40 points times that by 4. Okay, not bad. Still want to see something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, come back to close that. Seems we're at equilibrium as well. Keep in mind, too much hesitation here to create the change. So I wouldn't really, I wouldn't really take that either. I have tapped into that 15. Yeah, we have. What are you? Nothing here apart from this change in the state. We'll use the 1 minute here. Let's see if we get this change. Let's stay here on bear side. Doesn't look like it. Okay. Inside that 1 minute. Ah, it's not internal manipulation. It's not internal manipulation. Maybe if I see a resweep. Come on, give me it, please. Give me a resweep. Okay. Just displays down. I'll take it. I don't think we're going lower. Oh. One more candle. Oh my god. One more candle. Oh my god. This is it. Bit of wiki here. I think I prefer to take 2 minute model. Yeah, I prefer to take 2 minute model. Oh, this lunch session. Oh my god. Let's see if this hits. A forward test. This is gonna be a forward test trade. Low to London low. Let's see if this hits. Oh, definitely would have been a partial here. Okay. We don't go to all the way down to London low. Not too bad. Ah, really sucks, man. Really, really sucks. Honestly, we already went to that hourly for value gap, so to be fair, we didn't really need to come lower, and we've retraced the equilibrium. But either way, we still didn't get an entry higher. Like, I mean, maybe here, but it's a bit odd. Actually, yeah, right here would have been an entry. Actually, I think I should have been looking for longs here. This entry might have been it. Would have got break even though, so I mean. Alright, we're gonna do one more. We're gonna do one more. No trade here. I was bullish, but then again I was bearish. Bullish here. What's correct? No trade again, bro. Are you kidding me? 130, 262. Alright, last one. This news here. ADP non-farm employment change. And then somebody speaking. See it. Daily looks like that. I think I'm probably going to be bullish here again because daily is bullish, so bullish. Wow, made an order block, really a change in the state. So 4 hour value gap on ES, really respecting that consequent encroachment of that really nicely. Did not just ran through 4 hour on NQ. Take a look at the hourly. Take a look at this range. Same for you. Okay. I want to see probably a 15-minute shift in order flow. No shift yet. Nice AMD though. Nice internal inflation. Maybe a 15-minute model. Really tiny gap. A 1 point gap on yeah, but we are respecting it. In fact, I'm not going to mark that, I'm going to use this instead. Okay, and then 15 minute. Looks ugly, I'm not going to lie. We have London highs up here. Equal highs as well, really nice draw. How about this go? It's not bad. Okay, let's journal this. Hopefully we get a trade in, man, like, it's really annoying. Daily looks really bullish. Must be even higher. Value gap is holding on yes, but not on. Order flow is bearish on 1 hour. Possible we could go for these lows, but I really doubt it. Order flow holding bearish. Still wanna see higher. So. Might be a model shorts. Nope. I wanna go for 45. Okay, not mind. Respecting that. It's looking like another no trade. EQ is already met. We could go for these lows, but it's dependent on order flow here. 3-minute model. Oh my days. I should say this. 23 points. We tapped into this hourly for value gap. We have bearish order flow on the hourly, respecting that 15, respecting that hourly. Let's take a look at EQ of this range here. Yeah, we've gone down. Okay. Although I want to take a a long, order flow is just telling me it wants to be bullish. Order flow is telling me it wants to be bearish. Targeting New York Open. Again, this feels like a terrible trade for some reason. Let me adjust that. Stop. Oh. Let me reprocess this. 4 hour, 50-minute holding bearish. Yeah. Could just be seek and destroy as well. These are one of those trades that probably wouldn't take enough funded. It's just so unclear, like. I'm also kind of feeling for a trade right now. Yeah, let's reanalyze. Let's take a look. Daily, no SMT at the highs. No SMT at the highs. Well, very, very minor SMT. 4 hour, looking bullish. We also have this really big range. So technically we could come even lower than this. And we've taken out pretty major buy side. So, and we are displacing on the 1 hour. Equilibrium tapped into 3-minute model. Okay, yeah, I'll take this. And that's not pop. And it's seek and destroy. Dude, I have no idea. I have no idea what's going on anymore. Look at this. No 15-minute model yet. Let's skip these last 4 minutes till 10. 4. ES has shifted order flow, and that's actually all we need. No model. EQ shifted order flow as well now. Wiki, bruh. Dude, what are these conditions like? Oh my, what the fuck? Oh, we took out. Oh no, we didn't. Yo. I don't know what's going on right now. Wait, we need to go over 15. I think this is just seek and destroy. I don't really know what to say about this. 15-minute, really Seek and Destroy vibes. But I don't think would have been avoided. It was bearish at the start. However, could be. Oh, it was bullish at the start. However, it could be bearish as well due to the order flow, bearish order flow being respected. Although that order flow was a little strange because we weren't really respecting it. Kind of just minimum respected gaps still reached the I don't think I could have gone entry here either. I think that's gonna be the end of the trade recap, trade data series episode. Really, sort of a bit like tilted, to be honest. Like, oh no, like. Let's just see what ChatGPT said. Low clean structure. When low time frame don't cleanly align with high time frame bias, especially with messy price behavior, that's a red flag for the indecision. Seeking to show the bias was based on valid high time frame signals. For vertical gap held at least on ES lesson, the initial long bias was justified by high time frame context. This was on the battery, just a tricky market. Okay. Might be just like coping, I'm not gonna lie, but conflicting narrative. No clear confirmation, no trade might have been the best. No, you know if both bullish and bearish side have merit, that's indecision. Lesson, if both sides look valid, it usually means neither is high probability. Wait for clarity or stand down. Okay. We've recognized seeking to show it early. You labeled the 15-minute action correctly as seeking to show it. That awareness is huge. Start adding this to your do not engage filter. If price is erratic or grinding both sides, it's often the best side. That's actually kind of like that. This will be my lesson, and then we're gonna add a seek. Sure. 15-minute pre-market. Summary of key takeaways. High time frame bias was clean, daily 4-hour looked long, but low time frame did not follow through, and structure was sloppy. 15-minute price action, chop and with conviction, avoid these conditions. Process was solid, outcome was just clouded by market indecision, not trader error. Okay. Hope I am not coping. Okay. That is going to be the end of the... No, it's not. I lied. Average load time from structural model was in place yet. Lesson for value gap alone is not equal to full model. Confirmation from structure like 50. Is this correct? Okay, not line. Just a long time edge. Okay. Honestly, it was like a good month because of those 2 trades that I won here. But that 3 trades actually. But I don't know. I feel like those are the only like I don't know. I don't think it's enough. You know what I mean? Like. Any change in state formed that the range should count as a strong level of attack signal. It's taken off the 1 hour for vertical gap, but no major low time for it. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, alright. I hope you guys have enjoyed that day series episode. Took an hour, but we got through the day. Hope you guys have a good Tuesday afternoon. Oh, I think when this video is posted, it's going to be Wednesday. Yeah. Stay safe. I love and appreciate all you guys. Peace.